How to delete blank page in Microsoft Word. In today's tutorial, I'll show you some of the easy and quick method to delete blank pages in Word. Sometimes what happens is you might have unnecessary pages in Microsoft Word and you want to delete it. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to delete blank pages in Word easily and quickly. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open Microsoft Word and then you need to locate the blank page and not unnecessary page that you would like to delete. As you can see, I have this blank page which I find unnecessary and I want to delete it. So step 1 is normally what we do is we simply press the backspace multiple times in this way and try deleting this unnecessary page in Word, but it might be time consuming and it might be one of the outdated step for today's generation's people. So I'll teach you the second method. It can also be applicable if you only have certain pages on Microsoft Word like 1 or 2. But the second method what I want to teach or what I want to teach here is simply you need to click on this view tab at the top of the screen and click on navigation pane, and then your pages will shown on this navigation pane. So you need to simply select the page that you would like to delete, and once you click on the unnecessary page you simply need to press Ctrl G on your keyboard and this new tab will open where you need to enter the page number, that is the backslash and page, and once you do it you need to click on go to and then close, and once you have done that you need to press on the delete button from the keyboard. Once you have done that, as you can see that the unnecessary blank page has already been deleted in Microsoft Word. So that is how we can easily delete blank pages in Microsoft Word using 2 methods. Which one will be suitable for you? You can choose anyone, and in the similar way you can easily delete any other pages which is blank or filled up as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.